Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your phone. Update the Google app and Assistant so features match Siri's responsiveness. Enable voice match and allow personal results so Assistant recognizes you and reads messages. Next, set Google as the default for calls, SMS, and navigation apps to mirror Siri's integrations. Once done, grant permissions for contacts, SMS, calendar, and location so Assistant can act on your behalf. These steps make the rest of the conversion smooth and reliable. Now you customize how Assistant behaves. Pick a voice and adjust speaking rate to match Siri's tone. Create routines that bundle actions, like morning to read calendar, weather, and play news, so one command triggers several results. Then set app shortcuts and phrase mappings for Siri-like commands. For example, map, "Hey Google, send message" to your preferred messaging app. Make sure to test each shortcut, refine phrasing, and use natural sentences, so Assistant reliably recognizes your intent. Finish by testing end-to-end flows, call, text, navigation, and smart home control using the exact phrases you'll use daily. Once done, tweak voice match and confirm all permissions if something fails. If Assistant misses commands or won't control apps, restart the Assistant and the phone and clear the Google app cache to resolve recognition glitches. If problems persist, re-record voice match and recreate the shortcut. This usually fixes mismatches and restores Siri-like behavior in minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.